Welcome back, Savages, to another video. In today's video we're going to be unboxing a development board made by LILYGo called the T-Embed CC1101 Plus. So the board itself is based on an ESP32S3 and it comes with a 1.9-inch IPS TFT LCD screen. So what we'll do is go ahead and unbox it, have a look at what's included, and then we'll go ahead and look at the default software. In terms of the box, it's just a basic plastic box with a little lid on it and some advertising just here. So we can just click that and open it, and you do have a bit of foam on the inside of the lid there and surrounding the device to protect it, so that's always good to see. So that's the actual unit itself, and we'll have a look at that shortly. You get 4 screws with it as well, and you also get an NFC sticker. In terms of dimensions, the length of it is 98mm going across this way. In terms of width, it's 39mm, and in terms of height, it is 31mm. In terms of the antennas, they're all on the inside to keep the unit nice and compact, and I'll show you where the locations are right now. If we lift it up and have a look, on this side right here, we've got the CC1101 antenna with infrared transmit and receive. We turn it on the back. This one here is the NFC antenna, and this one right here is the Wi-Fi Bluetooth antenna. Now in terms of the shell, it's transparent plastic, so you can see all the gubbins inside, which is nice. Got the wheel just here. That's your 1.9-inch screen right there, and we'll just take this off. You've got a couple of connectors right here. This is where the USB-C connector goes into, just on this side. And on the back, you've got some rubber just to keep it firm whenever you've got it on the ground like that. But this is actually magnetic, so you can pull this off nice and easy like that. So you've got the 4 magnets here on the corner. That's the NFC antenna we looked at earlier on, and the battery's just behind there, going from there all the way to there. It's quite slimline, but you can see it just roughly there behind this board. So this is the wheel that you use for all the menus, and the action button is just in the middle right there. So by default on the stock firmware, this is what's included. So the first one is Sub G, and this is based on the CC1101 transceiver, and it's got a maximum range of 50 meters, and it operates on the following frequencies: 300 to 348 megahertz, 387 to 464 megahertz, and 779 to 928 megahertz. In this option, which is WS2812, you can change the addressable LEDs. So if we click on it, you toggle to the color, and as you can see, the colors are changing on this wheel right here. And then you press enter, that'll accept it, and you can come back out. The next option is called NFC, which stands for Near Field Communication, and it's for short range communication. So for example, you do get an NFC sticker with it right here, and if we go into the menu and just hold it up to the antenna right here, you'll see that flashing blue dot here at the top. The next menu item is called battery, and if we click on that, we'll just get some specs on the actual battery. The next one is Wi-Fi, and if we just click on it, you've got an option in there to configure the Wi-Fi just here. Next up is a music player, so if you've got some tunes on a card, you can play them through there. The next option is infrared, and if we click on that, it'll start sending a signal, but you can also receive infrared signals as well. If you press it on there, that's now in receive mode, and it'll receive infrared signals as well. The next option is settings, and you can do things like screen rotation. You can put the unit in a deep sleep. You can change the actual theme as well. It's in dark mode at the moment, or you can shut the unit down, or you can get some information on the system as well. So currently that's the firmware that's on the unit. And the last option we've got here is nRF24, and this is a transceiver module which will send data wirelessly using the 2.4 gigahertz radio band. So a good application of this would be something like remote controls, sensor networks, wireless communication between devices, and DIY IoT projects. In terms of the range with the internal antennas, it's going to be around about 10 to 30 meters. So there you go, Savages. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the T-Embed Plus development board. I'm sure there's various other firmware out there that other developers have created, so I may have a look at that at one point. but I just wanted to show you what you get out of the box. I'll leave a link in the description where you can buy this. If you have any other questions, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you do have one of these, please let me know what applications and functions you've used it for. Other than that, please subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you savages on the next one.